not just eating, guys.
What is it called?
It's a single release. So it's not an album or anything, but it's just a single release, and it's not a feature, but it's a collabo. So it's Donald and Diamond. Typically, the song is about love, but we are portraying it in a different way. We're portraying it in many different kinds of languages. One of the most interesting things is that for the first time, I'm singing in a different language than English. I'm singing in some Swahili on the song, which is the language that Diamond speaks. But there's no title at this point in time. We have started recording the song last night, and yeah, we just on the verge of finishing it off tonight. We are working with one of the best dance producers in the country by the name of DJ Clock.
Kevin told me that there's a guy called by the name of Diamond. I went to YouTube and go to his stuff, then I understood which sound he's doing. I know Donald. He's more into soulful house, so I tried to mix both of their style. So yeah, it was easy for me just to do just checking their sound, yeah, and fuse them into one.
Okay, yeah.
It makes me so
basically, we are bringing a whole lot of different influences that we have into the song, not necessarily to create, like a Donald style song meets Diamond style song. We want you guys to see us as one entity for this specific song, not as Diamond and Donald, but as one entity for this specific song, so that it becomes a memorable collaboration.
Well, as you know me, I do bongo flavor. It's originally from Tanzania. You see, so we're trying to mix here bongo flavor sounds from here, as you know, from Donald style, and not only we don't just want it to be like South Africa and Tanzania song. We just want it to be African song.
Basically, the idea with the song is, as a single release, it's not going to be released physically, but it will be released digitally.
We just want everybody to get this song.
Right.
And it's not a South African release or
Okay.
a Tanzanian release. It's going to be released in all the platforms around the continent. And I think also this collaboration is a part of us getting to know each other, becoming one as a continent. Especially now with what's been happening in South Africa with the whole xenophobia thing. We are a different generation who wants to speak nothing but positivity for the future, for the young people that are coming up.
When they hear you in the radio, they want to listen to your words, but when they see you, they're expecting you to do something like to entertain them. Sometimes do something that people, when they go back home, they think about.
The one thing about Africa as a continent is that we love to dance. I'm not necessarily known for dancing per se. I'm more known for my vocals and for taking off my shirt. But you adapt to new things. When I'm on stage with them, I just don't see myself not dancing. We've been dancing in the studio the whole time as we're making the song. So yeah, man, expect anything. Anything's possible, as long as it's entertaining. And Africa is about entertainment. It's about happiness, and it's fun. So yeah.
Don't make it too longer. I'm not talking about the last one. The last one you did, but the first.